Luke Bryan doesn't just hunt, fish, and sing about trucks, he collects them. His favorite, a massive Chevy Silverado 1500 Z71, custom lifted, camo wrap, with subwoofers for tailgate tunes. Then there's his white Ford F-250 Super Duty, pure rural royalty, perfect for hauling boats to the lake. He's also got a sleek city cruiser, a Cadillac Escalade ESV, tinted and tuned for Nashville nights. On weekends, he rolls out a Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, roof off, country breeze on, and tucked in the back of the barn, a classic 72 Bronco, his pride and joy. In all, Luke Bryan owns 13 vehicles, half mud, half luxury, all personality. It's proof that a superstar can live the high life without losing that front porch heartbeat.